Good morning, students. Welcome back to the maths class. Topic trigonometry, heights and distance. Continuation. Write one question. A vertical straight tree, 15-meter high, 15 meter high, is broken by wind in such a way that its top touches the ground. Broken by the wind in such a way that its top touches the ground and makes an angle 60 degree. Makes an angle 60 degree with the ground. Full stop. At what height from the ground did the tree break? Now listen here. Look at the board. The tree is 15-meter high. Understand? And we know that there is a level ground. Now the total distance is 15, or the height of the tree is 15, and due to wind the tree broken. Therefore, suppose this A is the position, the tree broken by the wind. Now the top touches the ground and makes an angle 60 degree. Understand? BC is equal to 15. Therefore, we assume let AZ equal to X. Write each point. AZ is equal to X. Therefore, AB is equal to, total is 15. AC is X, means this side is 15 minus X. Right. Mark in your notebook. Therefore, now the angle opposite and at hypotenuse, this is 90 degree vertical tree. Therefore, 15 minus X is the hypotenuse. Then what is the relation connecting opposite and hypotenuse? Sine 60. Very good. Sine 60 is equal to X by 15 minus X. Then do the calculation. What is sine 60? That is root 3 by 2 equal to X by 15 minus X. Now, cross multiplication. 2x one side equal to root 3 into 15 minus X. Do the calculation by yourself. 2x equal to 15 root 3 minus root 3x. Isn't it? Converting x in one side, 2x plus root 3x is equal to 15 root 3. You can take x outside, x into 2 plus root 3 equal to 15 root 3. Now how to find x? X equal to 15 root 3 by 2 plus root 3. Say the step. Rationalize the denominator. 15 root 3 into 2 minus root 3 by 2 plus root 3 into 2 minus root 3. Do by yourself. The final answer is 6.9. 6.9 meter. Do by yourself the calculation part. Okay. This is about angle of elevation. Angle of elevation means the object is always above the ground. Understand? Now, next one is, right, problems relating angle of depression. Angle of depression. Okay, write the question. An observer on the top of a cliff, 200 meter above the sea level, 200 meter above the sea level, observes the angle of depression of two ships to be 45 degree and 30 degree. respectively. Find the distance between the ships. Find the distance between the ships. If the ships are, right, if the ships are, first one, on the same side of the cliff, on the same side of the cliff. Second, on the opposite side of the cliff. Two conditions are there. Now we can draw the figure. A, B, be the cliff on the top of a cliff, 200 meter above. Therefore, the position of the man is here, isn't it? The object is, he observes two ships. Understand? Two ships. First we take, they are on the same side. Look here. Suppose the position of the first ship is C and the second ship is B. We draw the level ground. Okay. Now draw the first one and draw the second. Okay, listen. We know that there is a horizontal line parallel to the ground. Now, angle of depression means this is the first case, 45. Okay. Now listen carefully. B, not B. You can mark it as D. D, not B. D. Look here. This BD is parallel to AE. Agree? Now, this AC is the transversal and this is the angle 45 degree, that is angle of depression means line of sight and the horizontal. Angle between the line of sight and the horizontal. Here the horizontal is AE and the line of sight is AC. Therefore, the angle of depression is 45. But look here. AE is parallel to DB and AC is the transversal means, can you say what is this angle ACB? That is also 45 degree. What's the reason? Alternate angles are equal. Therefore, we can mark ACB equal to 45. Therefore, we can, right? We can say that the angle of depression now changes to angle of elevation. What about the second case? The position of the second ship is at D and there they make an angle 30. This small angle is 30. Here also DA is the line of sight, AE is the horizontal, therefore 30. Therefore, what is this angle? 30 degree. Okay. Now, same case, you can mark this BC as X. In triangle ABC. Now, simple steps. In ABC, tan 45 is equal to, what is the relation? Opposite and adjacent, 200 by X. What is tan 45? 1 is equal to 200 by X means X is equal to 200. X in the place of X you can write 200. Then you can mark this DC as Y. Then in ABD triangle, taking the triangle is very important. In triangle, right triangle, in ABD, tan 30 is equal to 200 by X plus Y, but X is 200 plus Y. Say the answer. Tan 130 is 1 by root 3 equal to 200 by 200 plus Y. Cross multiplication, 200 root 3 equal to 200 Y plus Y. Y is equal to y is equal to, write the answer, 200 root 3 minus 200. What is 200 root 3? 200 root 3. 200 into 1.732 minus 200. Right. 200 into 1.732 is 346.4 minus 200. What is that? 146.4. Here, look here. C and D are the positions of the ships. Therefore, what is the first question? What is the distance between the ships if they are on the same side? If they are on the same side, then the answer is 146.4. Then if they are on the opposite side, so case 2. If they are on the opposite side, A is the position of the man. One ship is on this side and the other one is here, C and D. You can mark the first angle 45 and the second angle 30. Cliff is 200 meter. Understand? The previous question we find that first one is 200 and the second one is, say the answer, 146.4. Therefore, if they are of the right, or you can do the calculation, if they are of the opposite side, if they are on the opposite side, 200 plus, not 200 plus, yes, 200 plus 346.4. Right. If they are on the opposite side, then the answer is 200 plus 346.4. That is equal to 546.4. But also you can take this x or y, then write the answer. Okay. 546.4. Right. One more question. Right, one more question. An aeroplane at an altitude of 1500 meters finds that two ships are sailing towards it. Two ships are sailing towards it in the same direction. The angle of depression as observed from the aeroplane are, the angles of depression as observed from the aeroplane are 45 degree and 30 degree. 45 degree and 30 degree respectively. Here also the same question, find the distance between the two ships. Find the distance between the two ships. Now, CD is 1500 given. Two ships sailing towards, isn't it? They are sailing towards it in the same direction. So you know that the greater angle is always near to the vertical tower. Understand? Therefore, this line is very important. The marking scheme, you have to show the angle of depression. This is actually angle of depression 45 degree. This line, draw this line. Now you can mark here 45 degree. Okay. What about the second one? Mark the second point A. Now draw the line. Then this angle of depression is here 30 degree. Therefore you can mark here 30 degree. These type problems you can do by yourself. Same. Tan 45 is equal to 1500 by BC or X. Anyway, you write. 1 is equal to 1500 by BC or BC is equal to 1500. Agree? BC is equal to 1500. You can mark here 1500. Okay. Now find tan 30. Tan 30. Say the answer. What is tan 30? 1500 by AC. Isn't it? AC actually means AB plus BC. Write all these steps. AB plus BC. Therefore you can write 1 by root 3 is equal to 1500 by AB plus 1500. Or you can mark it as Y. AB equal to Y. That is the distance between the two ships. AB means distance between the two ships. Then cross multiply. AB plus 1500 is equal to 1500 root 3. AB is equal to 1500 root 3 minus 1500. 1500 is common. Root 3 minus 1. 1500 into 1.732 minus 1. 1500 into 0.732. Can correct it, the answer as 1095 meter. Therefore, the distance between the ships is 1000. Once again listen. The aeroplane is 1500 meter above. Now the first angle of depression is 45 degree. That marking is very important. Then 45, here also mark 45. Then the second angle is this line of sight and the horizontal 30, 30, 30. Then you can write the following steps and we conclude that 1095 is the distance between the two ships. Okay, try to do most of the problems from your textbook. These are the important types. In the revision class also, I will explain the remaining questions. These are the main type questions. Try to do the remaining questions from your textbook. Okay, study well. Next week, I will conduct a test paper, identities of trigonometrical identities, that proving identity. Study well. Okay, bye.